Hello guys, today I'll be explaining to you guys on how you can make money with ChatGPT. Basically, the legit way for you to make money with ChatGPT, not like the former top trending videos from other YouTubers that don't really go in depth on how you can make money with ChatGPT. But first of all, I need you guys to know this that ChatGPT is a variant of the GPT-3 language model developed by openai and is not designed for generating income. The reason why they said it's not designed for generating income is an artificial intelligence. Most of the metrics or results you get from it won't be realistic like a result produced by a normal human being. And it is a tool for generating human-like text based on the input it is given. And it does not have the ability to make money on its own, but it has the ability, but you humans have the ability to use it to make money on your own. And however, you may be able to use ChatGPT or other language model as part of a larger effort to make money online. For example, you could use ChatGPT to generate content for a blog, website, or YouTube channel. Basically, you can use it to generate scripts for your YouTube channel. Either you hire a voiceover artist on Upwork or Fiverr, and then you give the voiceover artist the script generated by ChatGPT to you kind of like voice it out, and you add the audio to your YouTube channel, and you make content from that, like you make content on YouTube and you post it on your YouTube channel. From there you are earning from the views you generated. So that's like step one which you can do. The step two is also monetizing that content through advertising or selling product. Basically, you could use ChatGPT to assist with you can also use ChatGPT to assist with tasks such as data entry, con creation, and then offer those services to clients as a freelancer. As you all know, ChatGPT is like Google but not fully Google, because it basically give us more like it basically give us text, ideas, results based off the input we give to it. So, and we just have to convert it to any form of information, means of information, to the outer audience and monetize it. Let's say for example, you go to ChatGPT can give you a script on how you can create a landing page for your affiliate course, your affiliate program, your affiliate product, your e-commerce website, or review. Like instead of cracking your brain to create a reviews, testimonials, fake review and testimonials for your website and for anything you're selling online, you can basically tell ChatGPT to to do such for you. And also few others you can use you can also use ChatGPT to generate unique and engaging content for social media platform. Then use those platforms to promote your product or services. You can also use ChatGPT to create chatbot or virtual assistant using the ChatGPT API that will be given by if you go to the back end. And it can be used to provide customer service or assist with online sales. So as I said before, I'll show you, like, let's go to the ChatGPT, whereby I ran quick tests on the AI to know, like I asked a few questions to test the AI's knowledge, and it was kind of like limited. The knowledge was limited to 2021. So like any trend or any information that has been uploaded from 2022 till date, the AI cannot be able to give you accurate data. As you can see here, when I asked it to talk to buy today, it gave me a generic answer. I also asked it about multi-bagger stocks, it gave me a generic answer. And I kind of like narrowed it down into a more specific way for you to understand. And it gave me a generic answer on, like, when you ask Google, Google show like top 20 websites that have stocks with 1% increase in 24 hours. I also asked about top 10 richest doctors in New York. I believe it should be able to provide such kind of details, but due to maybe the doctor is a sensitive niche, it gave me this answer. And I asked about top 60 models. Then I was amused that it gave me it gave me like 10 models, 10 popular models, which we all know very well. You can also use this kind of article for your blog content, but if you want to use for your blog content, you need to make sure that it has 0% plagiarism, or else Google will kind of like will not index your website, or you won't get approved for AdSense. Basically, you're using copied content. So you need to make sure it has 0% plagiarism, and make sure the AI words the script very well, or else